ColorLook, the app that implements Canny edge detection to create coloring book pages at the fingertips of the user and the image data from the Android tablet. Canny Edge utilizes the Sobel filters in both horizontal and vertical directions and draws upon the magnitude strengths and directions. Then, following that, critical suppression is applied with respect to the directions of the edges, and then following that, we apply hysteresis to better encapsulate the deterministic edges of the original image. Then some morphological operations are applied, such as dilation, to better simulate the aesthetic of a coloring book. Then, for color filling, we use the BFS algorithm, as shown here, and then finally, to make things even more precise, rather than working with grayscale images, we apply the Canny edge detection in all three color channels, R, G, and B. The app works as shown. So first the user opens up the app, then takes the desired image of what they choose. In this case, a drawn fish with a basketball hoop. Now by clicking the Take Photo button at the bottom, the user ends up freezing the top frame and then the Canny edge detection is applied. Now, if the user is satisfied, they will click Color In, and they'll be taken to a page where they'll be asked to fill in any incomplete edges that may have been lost through the Canny edge process. Now the user has the ability to correct anything they have, and even add other things that weren't in the original photo. So we can see here someone, or the user here, is drawing a basketball. This allows the user to draw any other characteristics they would prefer. And look at that, triangle, smiley face with a hat. Now to the color filling, where we apply the BFS algorithm by using RGB sliders to correspond to the colors of the user desires. We're allowing the user to color in any white space contained by edges. As you can see, orange of the fin of the fish there. Of course, the larger the area, the more time it takes to fill in. But we allow the user to use almost any color that can be represented by the color gamut of the RGB space. ColorLook, an app that was developed in ECE 420 as a final project.